สวัสดีค่ะ Lesson 15 Sad versus frightened. In Thai, there are so many similar words with different meanings, just like ใจเสีย 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 means frightened or discouraged. It's like when you're gonna do something important and then something just happened, usually something bad, and make you felt a little shocked or discouraged that you don't even want to continue anymore. Then you're ใจเสีย but เสียใจ 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 means sad. Remember the word ใจ ใจ means heart, and the word เสีย could be broken or to lose something or someone. So ใจเสีย is like your heart is kind of broken because you were shocked and you cannot collect all the pieces, so you're discouraged by something that just happened, so you don't want to continue anymore. Then you're ใจเสีย but เสียใจ is like to lose your heart to someone that doesn't even deserve it. Then you're gonna be เสียใจ for sure, right? And that's it for today. ขอบคุณที่รับชมค่ะ Thanks for watching my video. Please click like and subscribe my channel for more videos, otherwise I'm gonna be เสียใจ So, have a nice day and see you again on my next lesson. Bye!